The engagement and the excitement is absolutely palpable.
So close. I'm walking, I'm like, whoa, it's paradise.
I don't find it school. It's pretty much learning and it's really fun.
Smart Lab is kind of a perfect combination of real-world problem solving and creativity.
There's a creative side to it, there's an engineering side to it, there's a very mechanical side to it.
Oh, okay.
Kids are hands-on involved from the time they walk in the door till the time they leave the classroom.
I love the Smart Lab.
Kids are entirely engaged in the Smart Lab.
Actually, I have teachers from other classrooms who will ask me, it's like, what is going on with this student of mine that before was totally disengaged, didn't care about the class, and now all of a sudden they're asking important questions. The majority of the students that enter a Smart Lab leave every day because they have to leave every day, not because they want to leave.
It's an incredible mix of students that enjoy the Smart Lab.
If you're a very hands-on learner, it's definitely a good class to be in.
The Creative Learning Systems Smart Labs have absolutely brought both girls and minorities into the STEM fields in our high schools.
Special ed kids really thrive in here. They have an opportunity to use their hands, to discover on the same level that other kids are discovering.
We want every single kid, every single student in Inglewood schools to go through the Creative Learning Systems Lab.
Our mission at Slavens is to create lifelong 21st century learners.
The structure of the Smart Lab allows for seamless integration of communication skills, of collaboration, of innovation, of critical thinking.
We're going to see kids that are problem solvers. We're going to see kids that are going to be required to work in collaborative groups. We're going to see kids that have high-level communication skills.
If you want to do a hands-on project, you can. If you want to do a software project, you can. It's very up to whatever you are most interested in.
It allows for kids that really need some kinesthetic pieces to be able to build and move and fix things. It also allows kids that are more techie to use some software engagements.
So they start learning those 21st century skills and practicing them. They're able to learn everything that they're supposed to via the Colorado academic standards, but do it in a way that's much more meaningful to them.
A robust learning environment for students that is relevant, that is rigorous, that's tied to core academics, that's aligned to standards.
The Smart Labs have helped me get more into engineering, mechanics, science, technology, all of it.
The skills that I think that our STEM labs bring are those things that can be transferred to any job, into any college, into any pathway that a student chooses.
It is preparing us for the future.